Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Cbiz EMS Payroll account. So for those people who do not know Cbiz is a complete and secure web-based human resource management system that provides for all of your human resource related activity, which means it helps you manage your human resource on your company. So if you're operating a company and you have 10 or 20 employees, it's going to be hard for you to manage every single employee yourself. So Cbiz helps to make that job easy by helping you manage your employee using its software. All right, so that's what Cbiz EMS Payroll does. So that's the basic gist of it. Now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your Cbiz account. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step, let's move on. First step, you want to search for Cbiz EMS Payroll login, and you want to click on the first link over here where it says cbizems.com. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here, which is the official website of Cbiz. Over here, you need to enter your username. After entering your username, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter your username and password, you want to click on sign in. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Cbiz EMS Payroll account. And if you for some reason forgot your password, you can always click on forgot your password to recover your password. And if you forgot the username of your account, you can always click on forgot your username in order to recover the username of your account. And if you for some reason want Cbiz website to remember your login detail, you can check mark remember me when logging into your account, and Cbiz will remember your username and password, and next time you come to cbizems.com, you're going to be automatically logged in into your account. That's what this does, right? So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into Cbiz EMS Payroll. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.